Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today, more chords. We're going to do a seventh, a dominant seventh position. Now, those of you that have used the Mel Bay Book, you're probably familiar with this one. Okay, it's a C7 chord. Pardon me. What I did that's a little bit different with this chord, all right, even though it's the same thing, but when you learned it in the Mel Bay Book, you learned it with your finger over here, the third finger. Let me show you with the guitar. C7, you learned it this way. Okay, they're hitting all the strings. All right, this C7, you could see that I have the third finger on the G, second finger on the E, pinky on the B flat, and the C, and I have these strings in here. We're not using the A string and we're not using the high E string. It's 4 strings. Now, why we're doing it this way is that this position and the other chord that we're going to be doing today, it's basically the same, but we're moving up 2 frets, is the D7. C7, D7. Let me show you the D7. Oh, wait a minute, it's behind me. As you can see, it's the same fingering. The only difference is that we move down the frets too. Incidentally, very important, the first finger, where it's located, gives you the root of the chord. So those of us, and hopefully it's all of us, that know how to move the scale down would know that if we did this, C7, D7, E7, F7, G7, A7. Okay? For now, to get comfortable with the position, we're just going to take like 4 beats of each from C7, 3, 4, and move. C7, D7. Okay, if you get adventurous and you want to go, you could go to E7 if you want, to F7, to E7, D7, bring it back to C7. Whole thing, we want your fingers to get used to that position. All right, work that 7th chord. It's going to be, it's one of the lifebloods of the guitar. You're going to be using it frequently, all right, and almost any song that you're going to be playing. You know, especially if you move from bar chords. And as we learn, like how we know the D chord down here, later on when we learn that 7th position, that you'd have what we call the D7 down here. Okay, and then you have a 7th here. If you're playing something, you could be doing. So little by little, what we're doing is so we could sort of vary our sound, get a little more full, a little more interesting. Anyway, stay with those 7 chords. All right, questions? Okay, comments below. If you like it, thumbs up. Please subscribe, and we'll see you the next time.